Oh, no way. What's up, guys? Today we are going to be going over how to install your shifter cables out of a 97 to like 2001 Honda CRV all-wheel drive B series. If you're going all-wheel drive in your Civic or Integra, there's not many videos on how to install the CRV original cables and the CRV original shifter box into a Civic or Integra. There's one guy that shows you it, but we're going to do it a little bit different today. This is my 96 Acura Integra. I have a fully built B-Series B18 with the 99 Honda CRV all-wheel drive transmission. If you guys haven't seen any videos on this car, go back, check some out on the channel. But anyways, that's a quick overview of what's going to go on in this video. So we're going to get to that right now. All right, guys, so here on the ground, I have the shifter cables. I disconnected them just so I can kind of get an idea where everything's going to go. There's the boot right there. So if you come on in the car, I already got the center console and everything out of the car. So right here is the original shift box from a 97 to 2001 Honda CRV. I think it goes to 2001, maybe only to 99. I don't know. Anyways, the B series Honda CRV all-wheel drive. This is a shift box they're all going to come with. Has this weird little offset. It's kind of a trip. It's like a little bit this way. So once we mount this box in there, we're going to go ahead and once we find a way to mount it, we're going to cut this down right here, and then we're going to re-weld it so we have like a short throw shifter. Because we're not going to be doing this. I mean, this thing's... If I'm making a shift, right? I think... Let's see. I won't even be able to do it. I'm going to hit the... I'm going to turn on my AC every time I shift. On the third gear shift, look. Fucking AC... My bad. AC turns on. Right there, look. No, fifth gear shift. Fourth to fifth. Boop. Oh, AC turned on. We're losing the race now. All right, anyways, back to business. Don't mind all that trash over there. So, yeah, so I'm thinking right here, so we'll go over a couple things. I want to explain to you guys your options here, all right? So, if you're doing this, you kind of have, it depends on how much money you got, all right? Here at White Trash Racing, we got a little bit of dollars to work with, but we try to save it for the things that matter the most, I just don't want to throw $1,000 at my shifter. So if you want to throw $1,000 or $2,000 at your shifter, hey brother, go on ahead and do it. Do whatever you want. But I'm not going to do that. So what I'm going to do is use this stock stuff and see. I think if I can get it to fit in here and mount in solidly, and I can cut that thing down and basically turn it into a short throw shifter and get everything to mount underneath my center console, I could care less what's under there. I mean, I want it all to look factory when I'm done, so that's what we're shooting for. Like I said, I want to still mount the everything right here. I still want to have my center console. I still want to have everything, the boot and all that. So I think it's possible. It may not be, but we're going to figure it out. Anyways, what I'm thinking is, because right here, now that we don't have the shift rod, you have these two holes right here that are threaded. And if you go ahead and use those, you can screw into them. So I'm thinking we don't need those anymore. So I just did remember one thing that may be an issue is that we may have to, because right here on the inside, like right, let's see if I can point to it. Right here, right? That little piece, that's gonna not clear on right there. Okay, so that right, what I'm hitting right there, that's gonna hit. See, when we try to go down, it's hitting on that piece right there. So, and then the other problem is that once we go down with it, that little nub right there that shifts the bottom cable, that's going to be hitting, it appears that it's going to be hitting here. So Alright guys, my weapon of choice is this Dremel. And I was gonna just cut out a little bit so that I was gonna cut it from here to here, but I'm like, the way the Dremel is, there's no way to really do that like side cut very well. I could do like at an angle, I guess. I wasn't even thinking about that, but it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna cut the whole thing out from the inside because I think it's gonna be easier. I've seen another guy on YouTube doing that, so we're just gonna copy that. So I got this little Dremel right here and we're gonna get started. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, that's hilarious. That's gonna take all day. So what I'll do is I'm gonna count the bits that I break, and I'm gonna just cut this thing out. But I'll let you know every time I break a bit. I've already broken one. We're on the second one, so we're gonna count this as 2. So if I break another one, I'm gonna let you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and just get that thing cut out real quick. Alright, that's one. That one actually was almost all the way down though, but I started getting kind of stupid with it because I'm like, well, maybe the other one broke because of other reasons, you know, like maybe it got knocked around. But now you got to be kind of gentle with them. But we got all the way from here all the way to here, so that's like almost halfway, considering the first one only made like a little tiny hole. So we're going to the next one. All right guys, the third blade broke with like, look, it literally I'm good actually, check it out. I think it literally, look, that's how much it had left to go. Sweet. That was perfect actually. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alright, so that's that. Now, this is complicated. This video is probably going to be really long, but it might be 2 parts, dude. So now we got things sitting there, right? Now it can actually go all the way down for the most part. Alright, so I just test fitted it and it's going to fit under there perfectly. That is awesome, but I'm going to have to move it forward a little bit, so I'm just going to, yeah, that's that. Anyways, you know. Wait, that was a dirt bike. Hang on. Here's a turbo Honda. Here we go. All right, let's get to work. All right, guys. Hate to interrupt the video, but I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that's been subscribing to the channel and liking all the videos, and everybody, you know, supporting this channel. I appreciate you guys. I just wanted to say, since we hit 2,000 subscribers, I was going to do a giveaway, and I've decided what we're going to do. I actually decided we're going to give away multiple stickers to multiple people. That way, you know, there's not just one winner. So what we're going to go ahead and do is give away to 2 people for the next couple of videos. You're going to get 2 stickers in the mail. It's completely free to enter this giveaway. All you have to do is like the video and comment down below anything you want, your name, whatever you want to comment, and I'm going to pick somebody out of the comment section of this video, 2 people, and I'm going to reply to your comment, and then you can DM me on Instagram, and then I will get your address and I'll ship you these stickers. So all you got to do, like I said, is like the video, comment something down below, and I'll send you 2 stickers. So if there ends up only being 2 comments, both of you guys are going to win. If there's 1 comment, I'll send you 4 stickers. So appreciate you guys for helping support the channel. Back to the video. All right, real quick, I changed my mind due to two reasons. A, simplicity, and just being way quicker and better. And also to reduce the height of the shifter, you know, because I just don't want it rubbing on the center console right here, right? So I already marked out. I was going to build a bracket, like I said, off of those 2 holes, but it doesn't even matter. After you already cut this out, like if you're going all-wheel drive, dude, it doesn't matter. Whatever, you could always go back to front-wheel drive anyways. You don't need this, and these holes wouldn't make a difference either. So I already marked out that little spot right there, and then that little spot right there. I'm going to drill those 2 holes. Once I get those 2 holes drilled, I'm going to get the shifter positioned in here, and then I'm just going to drill 2 more holes, and for now I'm just going to nut and bolt it. When I get some time, I'll put on the lift, and I'll take the nuts off, clean them up, and then put a couple tack welds on the nuts. That way you can just put the bolts in from the top. But I mean, to think about it, like in reality, how often do you take out your shifter? It's not like it's an oil filter or something. Like, you don't take your shifter out every day. Even if you take the motor out, take the tranny out, why would you unbolt the shifter? So I'm just gonna drill those holes. I just like I said, I just drilled out those holes, and it's sitting real nice. I took a little bit out of the styrofoam right there on the edge so that it could sit a little more straight. And I'm not gonna worry about doing anything with this handle yet. I'm going to get the cables hooked up and everything first, and then just make sure everything shifts. I'm gonna go from there. But she's in there. All right, guys, so I got the car on the lift here, and I have went ahead and opened up the hole that your O2 sensor wire would come out of, and I've decided I'm going to use that to run the shifter cables out of that hole. And then I'm going to drop down the sway bar so I can run behind this all right, so as you can see right there, I got those I got the cables ran in the bottom right there. I'm gonna show you what they look like on the inside. It's insane. It's like, it literally looks like factory. It looks like it was meant to be. Like, they run the cables run up underneath the styrofoam right there and everything, and then they split. One goes on one side, one goes on the other, and then they go down and out underneath the carpet right there. It's like perfect. Here, got a light. There you go, see a little better. But yeah, so see, insane. So that's that. I'm gonna what am I gonna do right now? I'm gonna pull that we're gonna pull that sway bar down and run the cables up to the top to the transmission, and then hopefully they reach. And yeah, all right, we're gonna go ahead and pull these down right here. All right, we'll take this other one off right here. So now we got it unbolted, and you can see once we drop it down, now we have room to put the cables up through there, and then hook them up to the transmission. I got the cables hooked up in there. I got the cables hooked up out here in the engine bay. The only thing I'm missing right now, I tightened up that bracket. Only thing I'm missing right now is just the pins and stuff that goes on top, but that doesn't matter because they're not going to come off right now. But I just ran it through the gears. It shifts through all the gears and everything. So, yeah, you guys seen how I routed those cables. I went through that hole, and in the end, I kind of so the hole's like this, right? And it's kind of oblong. So the back part I kind of bent down, and then the front part I kind of bent up. So when the cables come out, they kind of just can kind of come out without catching the lip. Because like, if the hole is just like this, right, the cables came out, there'd be a sharp edge on this side and a sharp edge on this side. But if you bend this edge down and bend that edge up, then they can't catch the edges. I tried reusing that little factory mount, like little grommet. That was the absolute worst idea, but I only have one bolt in it right now. The other one's just kind of in there. I'm going to have to get one of my buddies to come over and hold the bolts from the bottom, because I can't hold the bolts from the bottom, or I might end up making a bracket. I haven't figured it out yet. Anyways, I might weld these two things together, and then, I don't know. Anyways, here it is. Check it out. We got third, fourth, and, hang on, I'll put the camera up here for a second. We'll do a little, oh, so we got, let's see. We got side to side. Wait. So there's neutral. So you got side to side. So you got second, first, second, neutral, third, fourth, fifth, and there's your reverse right there. So fourth, third, second, and first. So there it is. I just gotta get this thing fastened down a little bit better. I haven't even done the front holes. I literally only do those back holes, and I just need to figure out a little bit better of a mounting situation. So once we figure that out, it won't be so loose like that. But anyways, that's not a big deal at all. And the next thing I figured, I'm gonna cut this out, and I think I've decided I'm gonna leave this bend right here because yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna leave that bend because let's see. If I'm in the car, right? Bro, let's see. Oh yeah, I did. This is like those guys that put those super tall shifters in their car. But I don't know. Definitely gonna drop it down. And I don't know. Kind of like how it comes over like that, because then I don't ever have to end up hitting the passenger. But I don't know. On second and first, it might come kind of close to me. So, what do you guys think we should do? Straight, bend it? Let me know in the comments. All right, guys. That's that. I hope this helped anybody out that might be doing a all-wheel drive build on your own car. So, I was checking out some videos and they just didn't have quite the information I was looking for. So hopefully this video checked all those boxes for you, man. If it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with some of your friends or something. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.